I'm California criminal defense attorney Michael Becker. I get a lot of questions about which professionals are legally required to notify law enforcement if they believe child abuse or neglect has occurred. Here are 3 things to know about mandatory reporting laws in California. 1. California's Child Abuse and Neglect Reporting Act, abbreviated CANRA, has a very long list of mandatory reporters, but the most common ones are teachers, teaching assistants, school administrators, social workers, probation or parole officers, police, firefighters, clergy members, daycare workers, and doctors and other healthcare workers. 2. Once a mandatory reporter learns or suspects that a child under 18 years old has been abused or neglected, they must notify the police or county welfare department as soon as possible. And then they have 36 hours to file a written report. And 3, under California Penal Code 11166 PC, it is a misdemeanor for mandatory reporters to fail to report child abuse or neglect. The penalties include up to 6 months in jail and/or up to $1,000 in fines. But if the mandatory reporter willfully fails to report and the child dies or sustains great bodily injury, the maximum sentence becomes 1 year in jail and $5,000 in fines. If you've been arrested in California, contact the attorneys of Schaus Law Group